Introducing the Genius Tools Bud Wheel Impact Socket, a specialized tool that can handle the toughest wheel lug nuts with ease. Made from chrome molybdenum steel with a black oxide coating, the Genius Tools Bud Wheel Impact Socket is engineered to withstand high impact and resist corrosion. With a 3/4 inch drive size and a 13/16 inch 4-point impact socket measuring 90 millimeters in overall length, this tool is perfect for removing and installing Bud-type wheel lug nuts on heavy-duty trucks and buses. The clear and permanent size markers are stamped on the tool for easy identification and organization. Rated to meet or exceed ANSI specifications, Genius Tools backs up its quality with a limited lifetime warranty, protecting you against any manufacturer defects. Genius Tools, built for pros, made for life.